You have reached your destination.
Yep. Okay, today is Finish the Doors Day. As you can see, I've got the door pocket on the inside of the door. I've got the striker mechanism put in, and it's really nice and smooth. I cleaned it up and put some more oil in there. I've got the pull cable in. I've got the stiffener bracket in. I've got the wood piece here in. I countersunk the screws. Proud of my work. And what's left is my door card. I may actually pause for the afternoon and go to the other door and paint the bottom of the strip black. Maybe let's leave it as is. I'm sure it'll blacken over time. Certainly won't be able to see it with the door card on. Yeah, we'll see. Make up my mind. Oh yeah. Pause. I bought a whole bunch of finishing screws. These are number 6s, I think. Yeah. And here's how they're going to look. I've got the matching Phillips head flat to go with them. I'm gonna probably do, as I've got it laid out, 3 here, like 1 here, 1 up here, 1 or 2 probably here, a couple up here. Yeah, almost done. Jesus. And this one's done, and apparently in QA inspection. I'm not pleased with this, I'll be honest. The entire door card was wrong in a couple of different dimensions. For example, these are screw holes that cover reliefs that cover the screw holes that hold on the latching mechanism. When I put them exactly over that thing, the door card doesn't fit. Okay, it's too long down here, too short up there, on and on and on. So, Sports and Classics stuff is not my favorite cup of tea. I'm not going to use them again. Overall, though, I think the door card insert, the door pocket that I made, looks really nice. Pause, see if I can put a camera light. Yeah, it's a little bit better. Anyway, I've got the door card stiffener here. I've got the wood up in there. The wood's held in with bolts, small machine bolts, nuts, and there is a little bit of a gap here. Now, if you can see in there, you can see 1, 2, and down in there 3 holes for the mounting mechanism for the window hanging knob thing. And I'll put that on later when I'm absolutely sure where to put that. What I don't want to do is poke holes in this thing and have to readjust and have holes showing. So, I like it. It's not bad. I did crack this thing right here. I am not happy about that, but yeah, what do you do? So now on to the next one, and this is the other door. It looks pretty nice, especially with the knob on there. You can see, however, that there is a gap in an area there. There's not a gap on the other one, and I took pains to position and screw this thing down in the same way as the other one. So, oh well, I guess every thing has its own oddities and so forth. Different dimension. This one didn't crack though, that's a good thing. So, ready to put these on the car at some point. Yep. Well, I'm going to pause this and then go mow my lawn.